You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. The dollar rose slightly on Monday as markets prepare for the release of U.S. inflation data and a slew of speeches from Federal Reserve officials this week, while the yuan continues to remain under pressure after China's weak stimulus package. Disappointment over the latest stimulus package led to a drop in the Australian and New Zealand dollars on Friday, as both countries are major exporters to China. The dollar also strengthened by 0.5% against the Japanese yen, rising to 153.43, after its level reached 154.70 last week, but pulled back. The euro remained at $1.0715, after losing 1% last week and falling to $1.0683. Political instability also affected the currency markets. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz said he was ready to hold a confidence vote in Parliament before Christmas, which could lead to early elections after the collapse of his ruling coalition. The euro was also under pressure due to proposals by U.S. President-elect Donald Trump to impose tariffs on imports, which could hit European exports and provoke a global trade war. Several Fed officials are expected to speak this week, including Chairman Jerome Powell on Thursday, which will provide investors with additional guidance on future monetary policy. Also important will be data on consumer prices in the United States, which will be released on Thursday. If the main inflation rate exceeds the projected 0.3%, this will reduce the likelihood of policy easing in December. The Bitcoin exchange rate exceeded the $80,000 mark for the first time in history, increasing its market capitalization to more than $1.5 trillion just a few days after Donald Trump was re-elected President of the United States. During his election campaign, Trump promised to make the United States a leader in the field of cryptocurrencies, offering to create a national Bitcoin reserve and appoint supporters of the crypto industry to key positions. After his victory, the Bitcoin exchange rate increased by 15.65%. In 2024, Bitcoin rose in price by 80%, which was facilitated by high interest in American exchange-traded funds ETFs and lower interest rates by the U.S. Federal Reserve. Cryptocurrency has overtaken traditional assets such as stocks and gold in terms of profitability. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.